There was a moment, sitting at that old mahogany table, when I truly felt invisible. My father announced, "Charles will inherit everything. That is the Parker way." My mother just smiled, sliding a $2 bill across the table, my reward for a lifetime of sacrifice. My brother, he leaned back, smug, twirling those car keys, as if my entire life boiled down to being an afterthought. The humiliation burned. But I sat there, quiet, watching them gloat. They had no idea what I was holding. I will tell you why in a moment. Because while they were busy celebrating, I found an old trust buried in a folder, signed in 1957. It said the child who truly cares for the family, regardless of gender, inherits. And I had proof: years of bills paid, every visit, every emergency, all the nights I dropped everything for them. My brother had nothing but debts and excuses. What happened next changed everything. When I brought my lawyer into that living room and laid out the evidence, the looks on their faces: shock, fear, disbelief will stay with me forever. But here's the twist I never saw coming. Hidden in the paperwork was a tiny brass key, taped to the last page, a secret even I was not prepared for. If you want to know what that key unlocked, and how I turned the tables on a lifetime of betrayal, watch the full video now. Because this ending, no one in my family saw it coming. Hit like if you believe justice sometimes takes a lifetime. Tell me in the comments, would you have walked away or fought back? The full story will change how you see family forever.